Yeah, hey folks, I figured I'd give you an update on the tent enclosure. I have 3 grow channels in here in this 4x4 tent. End up having to put cages up for the pepper plants. This pepper plant here has like 12 peppers on it right now. They're hard to see, they're hard to point out, but they're all in there. Nice lettuce head coming in. There's some kale that's getting a lot bigger now in 1 gallons. That's collard greens, gotten a lot bigger. It's another pepper plant, aloe vera. This is my soilless mix. Back there is soil. This is a bag of soil here. This jalapeno plant has really come along real nice. It's starting to get a lot of bud sites on it now. So it won't be long before this will start producing. We'll take a look at the roots here. You know, it's hard to see with the camera, but in the reflection of the light, that you can see all the roots finding their way through the worm castings. That's all this bag is just worm castings, which is kind of interesting. There's a local farmer in my area that raises worms, and that's where the worm castings comes from. This here is a bell pepper plant grown in rock wool, which is not doing that well. It flowers, it just kind of seems deformed. So I'm going to end up pulling that. But I have another bell pepper back here in the soilless, and there's bell peppers, 1 bell pepper. They're hard to see, but there's 3 or 4 of them on there. So, but everything's doing good. Peppers are coming in. Like this, like I said, this one here has got about 12 peppers on it right now. Here's the brewer, the vortex bucket. And you can see, look at that spiral in there. Vortexing. That's really awesome. Better picture. Structure and water right there. This is an add-on to Riverponics and the brewer. Self-watering, easy peasy, man. Not much to it. Once you get her planted, it's this thing takes care of itself. Happy New Year. I'm ready for it. Bring it on.